Kopiko Premium 3-in-1 Coffee is a strong and rich instant coffee. Each bag like this contains 30 individual sachets of premium instant coffee that are convenient to take on the go at school or work, or to quickly prepare in the morning at home. This instant coffee is manufactured by Mayora, an Indonesian food and beverage company. Mayora was formally founded in 1977 in Jakarta, the capital of Indonesia. Mayora produces instant coffee under the Kopiko brand and distributes it to over 80 countries all around the world. The taste of this premium dark coffee is a well-balanced blend of coffee, creaminess, and sweetness. This premium coffee's great taste is thanks to its robust and gourmet flavors from the coffee, non-dairy creamer, and sugar. These premium ingredients result in a smooth and rich coffee that is unmatched by other instant coffees. Preparing this instant premium coffee is simple. Add 150 milliliters of hot water into a cup and add 1 sachet of this coffee. Stir and serve. If you like iced coffee, you can stir the powder into hot water and then chill over ice. Feel free to adjust the added water for a more or less dilute coffee, depending on your preferences. If you want a larger cup of coffee, you can always add an additional sachet and more water to your cup. Adding extra cream and sugar is not necessary because this instant coffee is already well balanced. Each sachet is considered 1 serving and contains 90 calories, 2.5 grams of total fat, no cholesterol, 45 milligrams of sodium, 16 grams of carbohydrates, no dietary fiber, 13 grams of total sugar, and 1 gram of protein. This instant coffee is very easy to store and has a shelf life of about a year. This coffee is great to take on camping trips or to enjoy during break time at work. Wherever you choose to enjoy coffee, you can conveniently satisfy your cravings anytime with this premium instant coffee. Now, I will prepare this Kopiko Premium 3-in-1 coffee according to the instructions. Here, you can see the prepared coffee. It has a delicious aroma of gourmet coffee. This strong and rich coffee is convenient, delicious, and well balanced. But don't take my word for it. I suggest you try it out and taste for yourself the delicious flavor of Kopiko Premium 3-in-1 coffee. I highly recommend this premium 3-in-1 coffee by Kopiko for anyone looking for a well-balanced dark roast coffee. Also, be sure to check out our other videos here at Karman Foods, and be sure to subscribe to stay informed on the best curated Asian foods.